Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss displacement reaction. Today topic displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Question arises. Now, definition of displacement reaction. A reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution is called displacement reaction. In previous lecture we have discussed reactivity series. All of you will remember that one. कालू भोलेनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके नहीं से पकाता है. Central medical services are gold and platinum for ordinary pupils. Remember? Now, in that displacement reaction, that reactivity series helps which metal displaces the other metal. Now, in that reaction, you will here see in that definition that a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from where its salt solution, means from its aqueous solution, is called a displacement reaction. Got it? Now, with the help of certain examples, I will explain what is displacement reaction. First reaction is reaction between zinc metal and copper sulfate solution. See what happens. Zn is the symbol of zinc. Zinc in here stands for solid. Zinc plus copper sulfate. CuSO4 is the symbol of copper sulfate. It is in AQ. AQ means aqueous. The reaction forwards in that way. Zinc, now it is more reactive metal, it is more reactive, it displaces, we will get zinc sulfate plus copper, that one is in solid form, copper. This one is displaced metal. Got that one? Now here copper sulfate is less reactive as compared to zinc. In the definition we have already discussed that more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal. Now here zinc is more reactive as compared to copper sulfate. The zinc displaces sulfate from that one and copper is displaced metal. Let's see another example. Reaction between iron and copper sulfate solution. What that it is? Reaction between iron and copper sulfate solution. See how the reaction occurs. Now Fe is the symbol of iron. It is in the form of solid iron plus copper sulfate in the form of aqueous. Now here iron is more reactive. CuSO4 is the symbol of copper sulfate. It is less reactive. Now what happens? FeSO4 aqueous plus copper solid. Now here copper again a displaced metal. Let's see another example. Reaction between lead and copper chloride. See what happens. Student, Pb is the symbol of lead plus copper chloride CuCl2. It is in aqueous form. Copper chloride. Reaction forwards. We will get PbCl2 aqueous. It is lead chloride. What it is? Lead chloride plus Cu copper as displaced metal. Displaced metal. Now we will discuss double displacement. Double displacement reactions. Double displacement reaction. Now here double displacements, here double displacement occurs. In the above reaction only single displacement is there. Now in that reactions double displacement occurs. Let's see with the help of an example. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate in the form of aqueous plus barium chloride. It is also in the form of aqueous. Barium chloride. Now here double displacement occurs. See how? BaSO4. Now it is barium sulfate. A solid plus 2NaCl aqueous. NaCl sodium chloride. See that reaction again. In double displacement reaction double displacement occurs. Now here sodium sulfate when react with barium chloride, it will gives us BaSO4. That one is barium sulfate in the form of solid precipitation, plus NaCl. That one is sodium chloride. It is in the form of aqueous. Okay students, see that notes, read it well. Tomorrow again we will meet with your next lecture. Okay, bye.